In this video, I'll show you how to do an automatic sum across multiple sheets in a workbook. Alright, so I have a workbook over here with multiple sheets. The sheet names are January, February, March, all the way up to December. And what I want to do is, I want to do a sum on a particular cell on these 12 worksheets. And I want to do that automatically without needing to go into each of the sheets one by one. And here's how to do that. The automatic way to do that is pretty easy. So all we have to do is write equal sign and then sum, open parentheses, and then I have to put a single quotation. The name of the first tab, which is in this case January, then a colon, and then the name of the last tab, which in this case is December. So I'll type December. And then another single quotation. Finally, an exclamation mark, followed by the cell from these 12 tabs, which I want to do the sum on. Let's say we want to sum the values in cell A3 across all these 12 worksheets. So I'll just put A3 in this example, and then close parentheses. And that's it. And as easy as that, I was able to sum across multiple worksheets without even needing to go through each of these worksheets one by one. Now, as you can see here, I inputted the first cell and last cell references manually. And alternatively, you could even avoid typing in the names of the first and last tabs, in this case January and December altogether, by using this very neat trick as follows. So you can just go equal sign, sum, and then left click on the first tab, which in this case is January, and then click on Shift on your keyboard, and then left click on the last tab. And the last step is selecting the cell in which you want to perform the sum on, which in this case is cell A3. And then do a close parentheses. And there you go. As easy as that, you were able to perform the sum across multiple sheets without even having to manually input the names of the sheet. And this is a very handy trick in case the name of the sheet is too long or you don't want to input the name of the sheet manually. And in case you want to do this many times and you don't want to be inputting the name of the sheets manually within the sum formula. And as easy as that, we were able to perform a sum across multiple sheets within a workbook in Excel. And that's how it's done. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If yes, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. And also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on my future videos.